Let's look at the today's trade in Bank Nifty. After the fall on Friday, the market opens at this area today morning, and it tried to test our support zone. So this is our visible area support zone at 33,011. So it was happened on March 9th. You can go ahead and check in a 30 minutes time frame, and it exactly take a support at this area and the price reversed. And I'm not telling this is tradable because this is a very quick movement in the first few minutes of the market open. So this is actually 300 points move in the first um, in a 3 minutes candle, so it's untradable. I posted this message in a telegram. The zone to observe is 33,722, 33,760. This is at this zone. So I expected a sellers to come here and push the price down from this point, because this is one of the important zone as per our logical trading system. So as expected, buyers are feeling very weak, and they could not push the price up above here, and also at the same time the sellers are also not push the price down. So the second attempt, it was the sellers are hardly come and push the price down at this point. So it was one of the short trade opportunity. After this short trade, the sellers were not so strong to push the price down, so I expected a long at this area 33,570 zone, but actually there was a not no setup triggered during in this area. After analyzing this whole area, I came to the conclusion that this price movement is in a totally confusion mode. So I'm not able to find out what trade is happening in this whole area. So I send a message to this a confusion mode. So come back after 30 minutes at 119 at this point. But even after 30 minutes, there is a no good formation. There is no setup formed. Nothing happened in this chart. So on the whole, we don't trade anything at this point. I missed a long entry, and the expected short was happened, but again this was also not a very good trade. So on a altogether, I didn't take any trade today, so I call this as a no trade day.